Okay, first we'll be starting right here at the pinna, which is the outermost part of the ear that we can see. It collects sound waves from the environment and directs them into the auditory canal. The auditory canal, once sound waves enter the auditory canal, they travel down this tube toward the eardrum, amplifying the sound along the way. The eardrum vibrates when sound waves hit it, converting air vibrations into mechanical vibrations. The anvil, this blue part, continues to transfer the vibrations from the hammer to the stirrups. The stirrups is this pink part. The stirrups is the smallest bone in the body. It transmits the vibrations from the anvil to the cochlea in the inner ear. This is a fluid-filled snail-shaped structure in the inner ear. Vibrations from the stirrup create waves in fluid, which move tiny hair cells inside. The basilar membrane inside the cochlea contains the hair cells that detect different sound frequencies. It plays a crucial role in converting sound vibrations into electrical signals. The hair cells, this yellow part, these are tiny sensory cells in the cochlea, respond to sound vibrations and send electrical signals to the auditory nerve. The auditory nerve is, they carry electrical signals from the cochlea to the brain, where they are processed as sound.
So then, down here we have the thalamus, and the thalamus acts as a relay station in the brain, directing sound information to the auditory cortex, which is located in the brain's temporal lobe. The auditory cortex interprets and makes sense of what we hear. The temporal lobe houses the auditory cortex and is responsible for processing auditory information, including speech and music. And then the Eustachian tube helps maintain pressure balance between the middle ear and the environment, preventing discomfort and potential damage to the eardrum. And the semicircular canals are fluid-filled loops in the inner ear that help maintain balance and spatial orientation by detecting head movements. So then, conduction deafness occurs when sound waves cannot pass efficiently through the outer or middle ear, often due to blockages or damages. The sensorineural deafness occurs when the hair cells in the cochlea or the auditory nerve are damaged, leading to permanent hearing loss. Place theory is when different parts of the basilar membrane respond to different frequencies of sound. The volley theory is when groups of neurons work together to encode higher frequencies by firing in rapid succession. And lastly, the frequency theory is when the entire basilar membrane vibrates at the same frequency as the incoming sound wave.